Okay, guys, I just want to remind you that you can use Google Read and Write to read some of these articles for you, especially if they are on a page like your science article. So, to do this, you're just going to bring up your article, go up to the top to your Google Read and Write extension, click it, and it should pop up. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight where I want it to start reading. I'm going to hit the play button.
The Ring of Fire.
Ta-da! So you can pause it and then play it back again. Hopefully that helps you out a little bit more with this science reading. I know some of it is kind of technical and tough to read. Remember, you can also change this up here to a different reading setting that might make it a little bit easier. Okay, so hopefully this helps.